Today we have the Feekaa hair dryer. Feekaa hair dryer. Its features are an intelligent thermostatic care, billions of anions, powerful wind, healthy low radiation, a magnetic concentrator, and a high-speed motor. There it is. Instruction manual. Comes with a warranty. There it is. It's a slick black color. Looks pretty cool. This is an attachment piece. Okay, so I'm gonna go plug it in and test it out. Hair dryer's plugged in. So this button here is the power button. Cool mode. Now it's warm air. Very powerful. How powerful it is. Red mode. The hottest. That's the cool mode. Works really well. Here's the attachment piece to it. Just a magnet. It's really easy. Pop it right on. And that is the Feekaa Anion hair dryer. Works really well.